all the teachers and my dear friend, have a great morning to everyone. Myself Priya from 10th standard in Aryan Global Public School. Today my topic is knowledge is power. Knowledge is most substantial element in the world. It can make or break your life alone. Moreover, knowledge is very different human from animal. With knowledge, one can utilize their skill and make their life better. When you have knowledge at your disposal, you can complex a lot in your life. The essay on knowledge is power. Will you learn more about it? Knowledge is treasure. There are some people only who understand how important knowledge is. While every educated person may not be intelligent, it is true that every qualified person has an education. It is very easy to stream. It is very responsible for the knowledge is power. When you have treasure of knowledge, you can stop yourself from falling into the same trap. It is very essential to note in this essay on knowledge is power. It may seem like a strange statement, but it is true. When you have treasure of knowledge, you can drive a car, even fly an aeroplane. Similarly, you can crack puzzle and solve riddle with knowledge. It is a treasure that cannot be bought. To gain it and you earn it with your hard work. Therefore, the real gem is that of knowledge will you make a successful person in life and help you gain more power and respect. Knowledge is bottomless ocean. The more you dive deep into it, the deeper it will appear to you. Thus, there are no limit in the world of knowledge. When you desire knowledge, you taste for riches unknowns. Once you taste the nectar of knowledge, you cannot restrain your desire for it. You only get the desire to gain more wisdoms, acquires knowledge. There is a proverb that tells us that people will worship in his the kingdom alone, but they will worship a man all over the world. In other words, a person can find their home in any part of the world. The ocean gives us bold thinking and make us fearless. Moreover, our vision become clear through it. Also, when you get the knowledge of various things like science, medical, politics, and moreover work for the betterment of the world. Knowledge gives us birth to inventions and discoveries. Conclusion: all in all, knowledge allows people to flourish in life. Similarly, it also helps to all of war abuse. It is responsible for bringing peace of the world and nation prosper. It can open door to success and unity people like never before. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.